Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can activate and access the Smart Chat AI feature in the Avast browser, for example, to have conversations with the AI chat. So let us dive into this, guys. So launch the Avast browser, and usually you should see the Smart Chat feature here in the top right corner with that blue text or speech bubble here. And then, guys, you may use that field here to enter your prompt to ask a question. For example, I don't know, I will go with this suggestion here, for instance, and then Smart Chat will reply to you, right? So that you can have a conversation here, right? And then, for example, you may click into these three dots here to start a new chat, for example. So if you, for instance, don't see that feature, guys, it is actually a built-in feature here on the Avast browser. But if you anyhow don't see it, it may be because your Avast browser is not up to date. So to update it, navigate to your account settings and scroll all the way down here on the left hand side. And here about Avast browser, click into it and make sure that you're using the most recently released or updated version. If that's not the case, you will see, or Avast will automatically look for a newer version and give you the opportunity to download it and to install it here on the right hand side. And that should add the feature here to your list on the left and on the right hand side. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.